Thought train's got Bowden trapped in. I'll run point till he gets here.
Yeah, copy that.
Help me, please.
I'm Lieutenant Casey with the fire department. We're gonna get you out, okay?
I can't feel my legs. Help me, please.
Hey, just give us a minute, okay, ma'am? Zeph. Yeah. It's Chaplain Orlovsky. He's bleeding out. You guys separate the two vehicles. We'll pull them both out at the same time, all right? Tony, stay ready on that winch. Got it.
Help me, please.
Wait. Hold. If we move this car first, you could be paralyzed or worse. The longer he's pinned in, the more blood. No. Your call.
God, help me, please.
Herman, Dawson, get the jaws.
Help me,
Lieutenant, with all due respect, it's the chaplain.
We're getting her out first.
please.
You heard him, candidate. Move it.
Cap, Tony, we're gonna cut the roof post off so we can get the chap out as soon as this car's out of the way.
Yeah.
Chap, how's it going? Bills, status.
Yeah, I got a pulse, but it's weak. He's lost a lot of blood from this head wound.
Help me, please, please help me.
All right, hang in there, lady. We're getting you out.
Get you out of here, okay?
All right, guys, we're good to go.